Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best point and shoot cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sony RX100 VII. The Sony RX100 VII is an awesome little camera. Despite the tiny body, it's packed with a large, 1-inch sensor, resulting in excellent image quality for the category. It also has the best autofocus of any point-and-shoot camera, meaning you'll get more images in focus even when working with moving subjects. This compact camera offers a 24 to 200 mm equivalent lens, which is a versatile zoom range. And it is capable of 4K video, making this a well-rounded camera suitable for just about everyone. The only downside is the price. It is quite expensive for a point-and-shoot, but it offers a lot of quality and high-end features in a tiny package, so we think it's worth the price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. The 1-inch sensor is larger than what you'll find in a typical compact camera. This translates into better low-light shooting, even when not using the built-in flash. And the sensor has built-in autofocus pixels that help track objects for sharp shots even when your subject is moving. The 4.2x optical zoom lets shooters capture more distant objects without sacrificing image quality, and the 3-inch tilting LCD screen allows for shots from creative angles. Finally, RAW photo capture provides extra flexibility for travel photographers who want to perfect images with photo editing software once they return from their trip. It's a great camera for beginners and more experienced shooters alike. At number 3, we have the Olympus Tough TG6. This point-and-shoot camera can go pretty much anywhere. It's waterproof down to 50 feet without a separate case. It's totally dust-proof, so it won't suffer if you take it to the beach or deep in the desert. Plus, it's crush-proof up to 220 pounds, so you can sit on it by accident and still go shooting later in the day. Most compacts can't stand up to that kind of abuse. Toughness isn't worth much if the camera isn't very good. This compact offers a relatively small sensor, but it has a versatile 4x zoom lens that will cover most common scenarios on your adventures. And if you fall in love with the camera, Olympus offers a ton of different accessories like action camera mounts and underwater lights to go with it. At number 2, we have the Ilford Sprite 3.5 II Reusable 35mm film camera. If you want to get your feet wet with film, the Ilford Sprite 3.5 II is a fantastic and fun choice. It's similar to disposable camera in that it has a plastic lens with a fixed aperture and shutter speed. But it's reloadable, thus producing less waste. And it simply looks cooler than a disposable camera as well. The Sprite 3.5 II features a 31mm lens with a fixed f/9 aperture to ensure that your scene is in focus. It also has a fixed 1/120th shutter speed. There is a built-in flash for low-light situations, perfect for shooting indoors. You won't get precisely sharp and perfect results from this camera, but we think that's half the fun. It's a great outlet compared to highly technical cameras and fun to bring along on outings with friends and family. And since it has no settings at all, it's a true point-and-shoot that is extremely simple to use, even with it being a film camera. And finally, at number 1, we have the Instax Mini 11. There's just something special about a camera spitting out an image, and the wait for it to appear seemingly magically. The best instant cameras are easy to use and result in attractive prints, which is true of the Instax Mini 11. The results aren't pristine like you may be used to with your phone or digital camera, but we think that's part of the charm. The Instax Mini 11 features a fixed 60mm lens with an f/12.7 aperture that focuses from 11.8 inches to infinity. Or, you can turn the lens to selfie mode for a close focusing range of 11.8 to 19.7 inches. And there is a built-in flash, which is ideal for indoor shooting. It is a little slick to hold but comes with a lanyard to prevent drips. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.